Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan na sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ay ng pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Okay, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po ba kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And kapag napapanood niyo po itong video sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTara444, please do follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa akin at pag-usapan po natin paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot for private reading. Hindi po ako yung una magme-message po sa inyo para mag-offer po ng private reading. Kayo po ang dapat mag-chat po sa akin sapagkat mga scammer po ngayon ay nagkalat, may mga nanggagaya po ng aking TikTok account and nagpapanggap na ako po, nag-re-upload ang video sa doble ingat po. Kayo lang po ang una mag-chat sa akin if you want to avail a private reading. Alright? So sige, wag nating patagalin pa. Kunin na natin Taurus yung 10 baraha para sa iyong general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. So, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Taurus. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi niyo po piniiwan. Thank you so much po. So, sige. Taurus, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Saint Michael. Sige. Your 10 cards now, Taurus, are complete, ha? Huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Alright, Taurus, for your first cards in general reading, we have here the Queen of Wands. So, Taurus, I know that you have a lot of plans. I know that you have a lot of dreams in your life. I can see it here at the background. But it seems na parang may mga reservations pa. May mga konting mga takot pa, may mga konting, doubts ka pa sa iyong sarili if you're going to push through about these things. Kasi nakikita ko, it's like on the other side, you want it. Gustong-gusto mo na simulan to, gustong-gusto mo nang gawin. But parang may side naman na parang humihila sa'yo na teka lang, you're not ready. Parang gano'n na nakikita natin dito tayo. So, find your balance. Just calm your nerves. Kumbaga, ipag-pray, mag-meditate, and you ask for the sign of the universe. Kasi the more na nararatan ka, the more na imbalance ang yung emotions, hindi ka makakapag-isip ng maayos dito, Taurus. So, I can see here, you have a lot of things that you want to do, but still, hindi mo po magawa-gawa. It's because you are being undecided because of your imbalanced emotions. Okay? So, oh my God. Magician is here, Taurus. So, sabi ko nga, huwag magmadali. Ayusin mo lang emotion mo. So, kailangan mo na talagang maging balanse o maging kalmado. You need to calm your nerves. Tanggalin mo muna yung mga pangamba mo, mga takot, what is this, disappointments and frustrations and even doubts. So, kasi whatever plans you have in life, so believe me, Taurus, it will prosper. Magbubunga ito ng maganda. Magician card signifies victory, success, blessing, good news. So, bakit yung matatakot? So, infinite is here, abundance, blessings are on the way. Unexpected blessings are on the way for you, Taurus. So, don't rush everything. Planuhin ito ng maayos, ikalma ang sarili, huwag matakot. Believe me, kapag okay ng lahat, kapag ready ka na, kung ano man ang iniisip mo, kung ano man pinaplano mo, everything will fall into place for you. With the Magician card here, guaranteed, successful yan. Para sa iyo yan, ibibigay sa iyo ng universe. But as of now, huwag ka magmadali muna kung hindi ka pa talaga ready, Taurus. Alright? So, this is amazing. This is unexpected blessing. Malaki ito. Malaki may tutulong ito sa pagbangon mo with the Magician card. Believe me, Taurus. So, pangatlong bara sa general reading is, stay on your lane with the Knight of Wands. Do not be distracted. Ayan yung mga plano mo, mga dreams, your plans in life, career, dream job, mga pangarap mo sa buhay. So, stay on your lane. Do not be distracted. Just focus on your goal. So, maybe there are a lot of distractions on the way. Maaring siguro you want also to give up, parang gusto mo ng redirection kasi parang feeling mo wala ka pang nakikitang progress sa mga nangyayari o mga ginagawa mo. But still, the Knight of Wands card here is telling you to Taurus, please focus. Okay? Just continue on your journey. Whether wala ka mang nakikita pang progress as of now, wala ka pang nakikita ang bunga, but you believe that it will prosper in the future. With the Magician card here, everything will be a surprise. Magugulat ka na lang. So, bahala ka kapag mag-give up ka agad kasi nakikita ko nga nagmamadali ka. So, useless ang lahat. Useless lahat ng pinagpaguran mo, pinaghirapan mo. So, Taurus, believe me, makakamit mo ito. Dito ka papunta sa mga pangarap mo ito. Sa mga sa mga dream job mo, dream place, everything na talaga magpapasayo sa'yo. I know you're doing your best. So, ngayon ka pa ba susuko? Stay on your lane, Taurus, ha? So, tingnan natin dito. Ten of Wands. I know, Taurus, overwhelmed ka na, pagod ka na. Sa'yo nakasalali ang lahat. Kumbaga pasan mo ang daigdig eh. Hindi lang sa sarili mo mga responsibilities, even responsibilities in your family, sa trabaho, sa relationship, everything na sa'yo nakaatang lahat ng mga gawain, lahat ng mga decision making. That's why siguro sabi ko, kaya nakikita ko na parang you are at the edge of giving up. No, Taurus. Yung mga problema niyan, that is just a preparation for you. Sabi ko, you need to stay on your lane. Hindi ka pwedeng lumiko, hindi ka pwedeng tumigil na. Nandyan ka na eh. Nasa biyahe ka na. Ito mga pagod lang, ito may papahinga ito. Magagawan to ng paraan itong mga problema na ito. Magagawan to ng solusyon. There's always a solution with everything. But giving up is not an option as of now. Believe me. I know, overwhelmed ka. Pagod ka na. Nakikita ako dito. So it seems that parang feeling mo ay wala na talaga pag-asa. But with the Magician card here, uulitin ko. Everything will make sense later in your life, sorry. Everything will fall into place for you. Biglaan to. Magugulat ka na lang. Okay? So, panglima mong baraha. The World card is here. Taurus, hold on. Umawa ka ng mahigpit. Huwag kang bibitaw. New beginning is waiting for you. Panibagong buhay, panibagong journey na manatatahakin mo. But this time, this is where you want it. Ito yung gusto mo. Ito yung gusto mong tahakin. Dito ka align. This is where you will be happy. This is where you will be contented and you will be appreciated. So why worry? Okay, believe me. Ulitin ko, giving up is not an option as of now for you, Taurus. A new whole world is waiting for you. Just need to be still. Konting kapit pa, Taurus, ha? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards here, ulitin ko kapag di pa ba kayo kasubscribe sa ating YouTube account, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And kapag napapanood nyo ito sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTara444, please do follow. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo po message po sa akin. Hindi po ako ang unang mag-offer sa inyo pag message para mag-offer ng private reading sapagkat may mga scammers po ang gumagaya ng ating account at nag-upload ng video. Kawawa naman po kayo kapag maloko po kayo. So, kayo lang po ang unang mag-chat sa akin, pag-usapan po natin. Sa legit lang po, 10,000 followers and counting po tayo, RenzoTara444. Okay? So, let's continue Taurus yung general reading with your 6th card, which is the Moon card. So, talagang, sabi ko, connected talagang baraha. Queen of Wands, sabi ko, may dapat ka talagang ayusin. Nakikita ko dito, undecided ka. Kalat-kalat ang emotions mo dito. Hindi talaga stable. O what I mean, hindi talaga balance eh. No? Unstable talaga. May mga worries ka dito eh. May mga inhibitions, may mga takot ka, may mga doubts ka na, doubts ako nakikita dito. With the Moon card here, the card is telling Taurus that you're not okay in terms of your emotion. Okay, kalmahan mo lang. Okay, I'm not saying na madaling sabihin na think positively, but I know that kaya mo itong gawa ng paraan, Taurus. Baka na-overwhelm ka lang, nauunahan ka lang ng takot. So, please calm. Okay, you can do everything, magagawa ng solusyon ng lahat ng problema. Sabi ko nga, with the Magician card is here, ito lang lagi yung pinanghawakan. Everything can be, even the impossible thing can turn to possible. There's a lot of possibilities. There's a lot of ways na maaaring mangyari. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala. Okay? So, hindi balance yung emotion mo, ha? Nakikita ko dito, masyadong may mga emotional imbalance dito. Baka hindi ka okay as of now, Taurus. 3 of Wands, I can see here that you really want to move forward na. Matagal na panahon na parang deep inside, you're not okay, sa labas okay ka. Pinapakita mo lang, nilalakasan mo lang ang loob mo. It's because you don't want other people na makita kang parang pinanghihinaan. But with the Magician card here, so everything will be over soon, matatapos na lahat ito. So, sabi ko, kailangan mo tiwala, kailangan mo lang kumapit pa ng konti. Hindi to yung oras para give up Taurus. I know you really wanted to move forward. Gusto mo na matapos ang lahat nito. Gusto mo na mangharapin ang bagong buhay na, kasi nakita ko matagal na panahon na compromise mo yung happiness mo. Yes, I know you're smiling, Taurus, but sa loob-loob mo, wasak ka. Pinapakita mo lang, pinoproject mo lang sa labas na you're okay. For your family, for the people around you, na para hindi mag-worry. But ang bigat ng dinadala mo, that's why you really want to move forward. But sabi ko nga, with the Magician card here, matatapos ang lahat ng yan. Okay? So, ito na. The cards are very clear here. That card means ending. There will be ending, there will be closure, there will be resolution. Matatapos ang lahat talaga. Kaya sabi ko, hindi pwedeng walang katapusan. Ang mga problema, ang mga worries, Taurus, sabi ko, just need to hold on. Konting push pa. Kaya mo yan. Okay, matatapos din ang lahat with the death card here. This is a rebirth for you. This is a new journey. A new journey is waiting for you, Taurus. Kailangan mo lang. Kaya sabi ko, panghawakan ang mga paniniwala mo. If you believe you're putting your faith in the universe and even yourself, you can do it. With the death card here, everything is, kumbaga, matatapos na para sa'yo. Knight of Wands, ang katapat niya. So sabi ko, you need to stay on your lane. Kailangan mo patuloy. You do not be distracted. Okay? So, pang-siyam, 5 of Swords. So, look at this. Sabi ko, ang katapat niya is, I know that 10 of Wands, you are so overwhelmed. Pagod na pagod ka. I know. Sabi ko, nakikita ko dito, Taurus, na hirap ka na sa sitwasyon. Ikaw lang ang gumagawa ng paraan sa lahat ng mga bagay. And with the 5 of Swords here, it seems na may pressure ka din. May pressure ako nakikita dito. You're comparing yourself to other people, that's why. You're comparing your progress to other people's progress. Kaya nakikita ko dito, sabi ko, di ba, you are rushing everything, nagmamadali ka. Kasi nagpapa-apekto ka sa nakikita mo sa kapwa mo. But if you focus on yourself, if you focus on your own growth, Taurus, magiging kontento ka. Believe me. In the 5 of Swords here, that's why you're not happy. Okay, that's why you're feeling discontented. Feeling mo may kulang sa it's because you're looking at the other side. Instead of focusing on your own growth, on your own blessings, okay? Tinitingnan mo ang ibang tao. Okay? Ulitin ko, Taurus, focus on your own self or your own development. Right? So, 10th and last card mo, Taurus, para sa iyong general reading. Queen of Pentacles. The World card is here. New beginnings waiting for you. And with the Queen of Pentacles, if you're really worrying, one of your top of your mind as of now, ang nagiging problema mo talaga, Taurus, is money-related. So, with the Queen of Pentacles here, everything will be improving. Okay, money-related, finances, utang, everything that is boggling your mind, may kinalaman sa pera. So expect improvement and growth in the upcoming months and days ahead. So, with the Magician card here, there will be resolution with everything. Matatapos ang lahat yan, may solusyon ang lahat ng problema. You're going to move forward and to face a new journey or reality to your life. Just fix your emotions kasi kalat-kalat, hindi okay ang lahat. With the Death card here, matatapos ang lahat itong mga problema mo. Okay? So, Knight of Wands, stay focused. Okay, stay on your lane. Tuloy-tuloy lang, huwag ka magpa-apekto. The World card is here. New beginning, new journey, new chapter of your life is going to unfold. Okay? Taurus, I hope and I pray na marami nasasay ng Taurus sa mga kapanood dito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga soulmates kong Taurus sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Nasa mga kayo ngayon naroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.